going to start by cleaning the door handle with rubbing alcohol. Try and pay careful attention to the edges of the handle. We want to make sure that's clean so the vinyl sticks. Alright, I'll go ahead and dry that off. Now peel your decal off the backing paper. And you're going to align it exactly with the door handle. You shouldn't see any chrome showing once you have it aligned. And then once you have it where you need it, go ahead and start pressing down. Don't worry about the edges just yet. You can slowly press harder once you're confident that the decal is where it needs to be. And don't be afraid to pick it up and replace it if it's in the wrong area. Alright, now we're going to take the applicator to try and press the decal into the grooves in the back of the handle first. This will let us push the handle in so that we can get the edges of the handle at the front. Okay, now press in with your thumb and let's start rolling the edges around the top. The bottom. I'm not going to do the end just yet. I'm going to apply heat to that tip. The heat is not necessary, but it will make it easier to avoid wrinkles. Okay, I have the heat gun on. I'm just letting it warm up. Now, if I heat the end, I'll be able to use my thumb to just roll the vinyl around. You can see how easy it is to fold it around the edge once it's warmed. Now let's get here. Need to use more heat to get the corner down, you can, but it shouldn't be too difficult. Now, just roll this down. And that's it.